First, watch this. This is original video.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
And this is video after dubbing in Spanish.
Me cuesta mucho admitir que necesito ayuda, pero quiero mejorar en ese aspecto.
You may have already tried many AI video dubbing tools, but PersoDub stands out in a few important ways. It doesn't just replace the dialogue. It preserves the original background sounds and atmosphere while dubbing the video with a cloned voice that stays true to the original speaker. And when a scene has multiple characters, PersoDub can automatically identify each character and dub their dialogue using their own original voice, keeping the voices consistent throughout the entire video. These are features you might normally expect from expensive professional dubbing services, but with PersoDub you can do it yourself with AI. In this video, I'll show you how to install PersoDub on your PC and get it ready to use. So let's get started. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of PersoDub. You can check out its results and every detail you need to know about this tool. This tool required around 6 to 8 GB only Nvidia graphic card FFmpeg, at least 50 GB free space in your C drive. Installation is very easy. Just on main page go to release option. From here download exe file. Once downloaded, double-click on it to install. Just easy step and let it download. Might take few hours since it's 38+ GB. Once it's done, where will be icon on your desktop, double-click on it to launch. This is very easy to use. You can either upload video file or a direct link of video. Let Whisper a speech-to-text model and auto-detect language. Choose language you want to dub video in and choose quality. There are also advanced settings. Let it default. Click Start Dubbing. This will take few minutes depending on your video length.
Es fällt mir unglaublich schwer, zuzugeben, dass ich Unterstützung benötige und daran will ich arbeiten.
And that's it for the PersoDub installation. Now you can start dubbing your videos while keeping the original background sounds and character voices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.